So over the last 6 months I've been building this boat, and I've had a lot of fun doing it, and it's been fun sharing it with you all. But I didn't build this boat for myself. I've actually got more boats than I need. I built this boat for my wife. It's got the retractable skeg, and that's going to help her go in a straight line because she's not as experienced a paddler as I am, and so I wanted to give her a little bit of help. You know, it's no fun if you're out there and you're doing twice the work in order to go in the direction you mean to go. So with this boat, she should be able to go where she intends and not have to think so much about paddling and be able to enjoy it a little bit more. But we're going to take it out today and test it out and make sure it does what she wants. So come along and let's see how it goes. So we started off in the creek just to do a little bit of calm water tests, both with and without the skeg. You know, we know how it goes without the skeg. It goes all over the place. But drop the skeg and suddenly it's perfect.
Look how straight I am!
After messing around in the creek for a little while, we decided to head out to the waterway where there's a lot more action. There's chop and wakes and crazy boats and, you know, obnoxious husbands.
Why'd you stop? Don't stop! You're not supposed to stop paddling when there's waves! Oh my god!
But it didn't take long for us to realize that both she and the boat were doing perfectly well, and, you know, the test kind of faded out, and we were able to just paddle along and enjoy ourselves and look at the pretty sights. Isn't that cool? Going out for the shrimp. And this for me is the most rewarding part of the whole thing. Now we both have a boat that we're comfortable paddling, and we can just go out together and have a good time and not have to worry about thinking too much about how to actually do it. It's just something we can go paddle along and just enjoy the scenery. It's really very nice.
Look at that. Amazing. Wait, don't push me in.
What do you think about that skeg?
I think I love it.
Well, that's going on the internet.